Guys, you're going to be so happy tonight. So, we were just kind of messing around, looking on, just hoping maybe there's something out today. And let's go ahead and give it a shot. Oh my goodness, we got movies. It's Friday. We actually have movies. Look at this. I can actually choose a couple. Dang, they got all the movies. Man, they even got showtimes available. That is crazy. All week has just been absolute garbage. The last 2-3 weeks have been straight trash. And now I've got multiple showings that I can go see. And some of them actually have 5 or 6. I'll be damned. Way to go, Moviepass. You finally came around. We'll see how long this lasts and see if it can keep me around. My subscription ends December 1st, so that's when I get renewed. So if they keep this up, I'll stick around. If they go back to garbage, then I'll be canceling December 1st. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick video showing you that they've got stuff back up. I don't know. I don't know if this will be for a while or if this is just something weird. I thought that they had up here in the new releases was what they were actually showing, but that's not the case. Again, you just have to click the theaters, go inside, and click the theater you want to go see and actually see what is available rather than have anything on the home screen. It'd be a pretty good idea if they actually put it up here, what they actually had, but nonetheless, I'm stoked. I think we're going to go catch a movie tonight, finally, and we'll see how it goes. Just want to give you guys an update. It is Friday, was it November 6th or 7th? So anyway, I'll put that in the title. Hope this helps you guys out. Keep, whether you're going to stick around, keep deleting your subscription. I know a lot of you really are deleting it, and I know I was ready to do it, but I was just waiting for my month I already paid up for to go ahead and delete. But as of right now, they've made me feel a little bit better as of today, so we'll see how it goes. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Later. 7:19. Okay, so I'm to blame. We were a little bit late to the getting rolling up. I know movies don't start till later, so I thought maybe we might be able to still make it. But we rolled up here. You can see it's 7:19 right now, and we were gonna come to this. We were actually gonna go to, I think, the 7:15 Venom. Now look at this shit. Back to the same old crap. They took all the late movies off too. There's one movie now. They literally had movies out the wazoo. They had almost everything you could want to go see, and now I'm down to literally Indivisible at one movie theater. Right there, I'm ready to cancel. There's not much they're gonna do to really take me back and keep me rolling. So December 1, you're gonna lose me and my wife as customers. I can't believe they did this. You guys saw it earlier. I'll merge the two videos in there, and I was wrong. It is actually it's actually November 9th. So obviously what I said earlier is like 6th or 7th. That shows you how well I keep up with the days. But it is Friday. They literally came down back to nothing. I'm baffled. I can't believe that's such a terrible service. Maybe they had some kind of glitch or something. I don't know. But anyway, I thought here I was all excited, going to get you guys a good video up showing you, hey, look, maybe things are back. But no, they're back to the same old garbage. So anyway, hope you guys like that one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.